Hola amigos, hello my friends. Great day today. More than $9,000 in profits. Hola amigos, buen día hoy. Today is Thursday, November the 15th. It's a great day today, making a lot of pips, more than $9,000 in profits due to Brexit events after the European Open. There we go, making some money, making some pips. Okay, here I got the Great British Pound Canadian Dollar. Great British Pound Canadian Dollar. I went in on a sell after the 3 a.m. European Open started going down due to the Brexit event. I went in on this pair at 1.7167. So here the Great British Pound Canadian Dollar is giving me about 295 pips. 295 pips. Ok. Aquí con el Gran Bretaña contra Canadá. There we go. Making pips. Okay. We got going on. Moving the stop loss always. Let's go. Okay, here I went in a buy. I went in a buy on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Moving my stop to lock in some profits. New Zealand dollar, US dollar is giving me only about 20 pips. Only about 20 pips, New Zealand, US dollar. Let's go. Aquí con New Zealand, US dollar, como 20 pips. No mucho, pero es algo. Okay. Go, man, making some pips. Gotta make some money. What we got going on? Okay, the same here. Great British Pound US dollar on a sell. Man, you gotta love this Brexit event. It's giving me a lot of pips, making some money. Great British Pound US dollar. I went in on a sell at 1.2980. So Great British Pound US dollar is giving me a little bit above 220 pips. 220 pips aproximadamente con Gran Bretaña US dollar aquí en un sell. There you go. Moving my stop loss. Let's go. Okay. Some pips. Okay, over here the Great British Pound JPY, also on a sell. And this pair I went in on a sell at 147.38. So this pair right now is giving me a little bit above 270 pips. Aquí en Gran Bretaña contra Japón, este par me está dando ahora aproximadamente como 270 pips. Todos los amigos míos, all my friends, you want to make this type of money as pips, call me up. I'm going to give you my strategy in Telegram or WhatsApp. All right? You got my number here in Telegram. Moving my stops, locking the profits. There we go.